Hello, today we're looking at Sage 200 Standard Online and Sage 200 Professional and being able to set colors for different modules within the program. So, new functionality on Sage 200 Standard Online and Sage 200 Professional 2025 R2 and above enables you to set different colors for different modules. So, if we go into our accounting system manager, we go into settings and maintain module colors in Sage 200 Professional. You can see on the window that appears, it gives us some tick boxes for all the different modules. Now, for my example, I'm just going to tick Sales Ledger and Purchase Ledger. I'll click on Set Color and I'll set my Sales Ledger to be a nice dark brown and my Purchase Ledger to be a nice hot pink. If I click on OK, if I then go to my Sales Ledger, go to my customer list and click on New Accounts, you can see the border of my form shows in brown. So that signifies that I'm in the sales ledger. If I now go to the purchase ledger and do the same thing and click on New Accounts, you can see the border shows a nice pink. Of course, you can use slightly less bright colours, but it's just to prove the point. So basically, you don't have to close and reopen Sage for this to occur. This is a company-wide setting for all users. So in my test company, if anybody logs into my test company, those colours will apply for them. With Sage 200 Standard Online, the functionality is enabled within Settings, Organisational and Financial, Maintain Module Colours. Again, I can tick my customers and suppliers. I can set a colour for my customers. Let's make that one a nice orange. And let's set my suppliers to be a lilac. Click on OK. Then I'll scroll up to my customer, create a new account, and you can see it's got an orange border. If I now go to suppliers and do the same thing to create a new account, you can see there the colour of the border is a nice lilac colour.